G'day my friends, how are you? So I've got some models I'm working on here. I've got a Panzer II, that's by Tamiya. I'm building up a Panzer III for Operation Typhoon. This one's from Ryfield Models. It doesn't include the L42 cannon. I just got that out of the old Academy kit that I had. So I installed it and installed it very successfully. So that's coming up pretty good. So that'll be good for Operation Typhoon. And then we've got the Panzer IV, which is a part of the Hungarian armoured group, which was working on the Don in 1942. So it's sort of the early Russian campaign stuff. And then we've got this by Tamiya as well, which is a 5cm anti-tank cannon. And this will be a part of the 5th Panzer Division as Army Group Center went into the Smolensk offensive in 1941. And the first tank counter-offensive that the Soviets launched ran straight into the anti-tank battalions of the 7th Panzer Division. So it'll be quite cool. So all this early war stuff, this is a part of the 35th Panzer Regiment. So this would have been early Barbarossa, the first part, where they did all their encirclements in Belarus. Then they went to Smolensk. And then they went to Typhoon, which was the attack on Moscow, of course. So that's what I'm working on now. I really like these Ryfield Panzer IIIs. They're really good. Really, Ryfield models are really, I find them a pleasure to build. Like mini art kits are probably better, but they're really tricky and difficult. Where Ryfield always just that little bit easier to build, a bit funner to build, not so difficult. And it's like Ryfield and Mini Art do a lot of the same things, but Ryfield just tends to sell them a bit cheaper and they're a little bit easier to build. But yeah, coming up good. It's coming up really good. I'm going to keep working on it, keep building up. I've got to put the antenna on yet, and then that'll be finished, and then we'll put some more stowage on. I put an old stowage box from an old Mini Art kit on the back. I might put a log on the back as well. We'll just attach a log there or something. Put some more stowage in. But that's what's going on right now. It's good to see you guys again, and I'll show you what else we'll build up very shortly, because we've got a whole heap of kits here, all full interior kits that I can start building and get back into it. And I'll be able to do a build video on one of these full interior kits, maybe one of the 234s. All right, my friends, I'll speak to you again soon.